Okay, newest custom furniture project. A stand that will be lit with LEDs for this glass. I had an artist get in touch with me who wants a frame for this, a stand, and this is what we'll sort of end up with. This circular art glass. There'll be an LED strip light down in here that will shine up through here and will really illuminate this field beautifully. And they wanted this out of oak and then stained gray. So that's what I'm working with here. So far I've got my joinery. I used my dado stack to do my tenons here. And then to do my groove I used my shaper. Excuse me. For my tenons, I set the fence the right distance from the stack and had the stack raised up just right. Ran them through there. And then on the shaper I have a 1/2 inch slot cutter set up. And the fence distance, proper distance, and then height obviously to split the wood right in the middle. And so that's how I did my joinery. And since this bottom piece will be cut along the circular edge as these will, I'm not too concerned about movement along here, but this upper part I think I won't glue. Maybe I'll glue and peg this lower part and allow this upper part to move just in case. So that's where we're at so far. Then I got to do my groove around the edge of the circle here, and so first I laid out my line, and then I thought about, okay, how can I do this right? So basically what I'm going to have to do is get a compass, set the distance away of the depth of the groove, and then run that along there so that I end up with the wood coming out just the right length, and then I'll cut it at the bandsaw, and then I'll do my groove either out my shaper or with a router bit, and then that'll fit right in there. At first I thought I could just draw my line and then move it further back, but then I'd have two circles of the same diameter, and I actually need this circle that the wood will be actually to be a smaller diameter circle. So I'll use a compass set to the right distance, sort of describe that around, so I end up with the right spacing and everything. This glass stand is coming along nice. I've got my joinery all set here. I'm going to do pegged tenons, and this upper hole I just expanded the hole a little bit just to make sure to compensate for any movement if there is going to be any. And so this part here is what we're assembling right now, and then we'll work on the base after this.
And here we are, all done. The stand is complete and the LEDs are on. Those LEDs really light up through the field of glass. It's something really interesting about edge lighting glass, and then it reflects off of the etched engraving, really, with a sandblaster the artist did. Here's a few other pictures as well, just to give you an idea. The main joinery was sort of mortise and tenons that were pegged, and then the stand, the lower stand, was just screwed to the upper stand where the actual circular glass goes. There you can see a good picture of the grain there. I used the grain orientation to mimic the circle. I cut a wide piece of oak that had a cathedral grain, and those were my two side pieces, and just sort of flipped the cathedral grain to match the circular art. And the first stand went so well, the artist asked me to do another one. So there was a similar artwork. This is a smaller medallion with different artwork. So I used the same basic design, and he was really happy with both of them. So both projects were good. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating by using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.